Welcome back to the Economics and Research channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Economics and Research channel for more informative content. In today's video, we will be discussing the best practices for data collection and analysis in more detail. As you may already know, data is crucial for making informed decisions and conducting research. However, collecting and analyzing data can be challenging, and it's important to follow best practices to ensure accurate and reliable results. 1. Establish a clear research question or objective. Before you start collecting data, it's important to establish a clear research question or objective. This helps ensure that the data you collect is relevant and useful for your analysis. You need to know what you're trying to achieve and what you need to learn from the data to achieve that goal. To establish a clear research question, you need to consider the purpose of your research, the population you are studying, and the variables you want to measure. 2. Identify reliable sources of data. Once you have a clear research question or objective, you need to identify reliable sources of data. There are several sources of data that you can collect from, such as surveys, government statistics, or social media. It's important to ensure that the data you collect is reliable and accurate. You can check the credibility of the sources by looking at the author, date, and other details. 3. Choose appropriate data collection methods. The next step is to choose the appropriate data collection method. This can vary depending on the type of data you need to collect, but some common methods include online surveys, phone interviews, or focus groups. It's important to choose a method that suits your research question, your data sources, and your research goals. Each method has its strengths and limitations, so you should choose the one that fits your research best. 4. Organize your data. Once you've collected your data, it's important to organize it properly. This includes labeling and categorizing your data appropriately to make it easier to analyze. You should also store your data in a secure location to prevent data loss. 5. Use appropriate statistical methods. Depending on the type of data you have, you may need to use different statistical methods to analyze it. It's important to choose the appropriate method for your data to ensure accurate results. Some common statistical methods include descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and regression analysis. It's important to choose the right method to ensure that you're getting the most accurate results. 6. Check for outliers. Outliers are data points that are significantly different from the rest of your data. They can be caused by errors in data collection or measurement. It's important to identify and address outliers to ensure accurate analysis. You can do this by using data visualization techniques like box plots or histograms. 7. Interpret your results. Once you have analyzed your data, it's important to interpret the results and draw conclusions based on your findings. This involves summarizing your findings and identifying patterns or trends in the data. You should also consider the limitations of your study and discuss the implications of your findings. Conclusion. In conclusion, Following these best practices for data collection and analysis can help ensure accurate and reliable results. By establishing a clear research question, identifying reliable sources of data, choosing appropriate data collection methods, organizing your data, using appropriate statistical methods, checking for outliers, and interpreting your results, you can ensure that your research is meaningful and valuable. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Economics and Research channel for more informative content.